White horses are broken free from the fields. They are horses of love, their manes full of fire. They are parting the cities, those bright burning horses. And everyone is hiding, and no one makes a sound. And I'm by your side, and I'm holding your hand. Bright horses of wonder springing from your burning hand. And everyone has a heart, and it's calling for something. And we're all so sick and tired of seeing things as they are. The horses are just horses, and their manes aren't full of fire. And the fields are just fields, and there ain't no Lord. And everyone is hidden, and everyone is cruel. There's no shortage of tyrants, and no shortage of fools. And the little white shape dancing at the end of the hall is just a wish that time can't dissolve at all. It don't mean we can't believe in something in any way. My baby's coming back now on the next train. I can hear the whistle blowing, I can hear the mighty roar, I can hear the horses prancing in the pastures of the Lord. Oh, the train is coming, and I'm standing here to see, and it's bringing my baby right back to me. Well, there are some things it's hard to explain, but my baby's coming home now on the 5:30 train. I don't believe in an interventionist God, but I know, darling, that you do. But if I did, I would kneel down and ask him not to intervene when it came to you. Well, not to touch a hair in your head, leave you as you are. If he felt he had to direct you, then direct you into my arms. Into my arms, oh Lord, into my arms, oh Lord, into my arms, oh Lord, into my arms. And I don't believe in the existence of angels. Looking at you, I wonder if that's true. But if I did, I would summon them together. And ask them to watch over you. Well, to each burn a candle for you, to make bright and clear your path, and to walk like Christ in grace and love and guide you into my arms. Into my arms, oh Lord, into my arms, oh Lord, into my arms, oh Lord, into my arms. But I believe in love, and I know that you do too. And I believe in some kind of path, though we can walk down, me and you. So keep your candles burning, make a journey bright and pure, that you'll keep returning always and evermore. Into my arms, oh Lord, into my arms, oh Lord, into my arms.